Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. So this is a website that's free to join. You set up a profile, and if you're chosen, you get a box of free samples and products. So right on top, there's always a reminder to review your products on their website. And also I will link their social media below because they also give out boxes on there. So you have a good chance of winning one. I love when they put food in here. So we have some sweet potato puffs. Crunchy cinnamon. It says it's made with a blend of rice flour, pea, protein, and sweet potato. I bet Raylan's gonna love those. And they even give a promo code if you buy them on Amazon. So we'll try those out, see how the kids like them. Then we have gluten-free granola. I definitely have had this before and it's really good. So there's fruits and nuts and all different things in there. This is a cranberry almond maple flavor. It's delicious. Next up, we have organic matcha tea. That's awesome. I love matcha tea. This has 25 envelope tea bags and it's cinnamon and ginger. Very excited for that. Next up, short-term sleep aid. Wake up refreshed. That's cool. I know a lot of people have problems sleeping, so it's nice to have something like that. And it says it's non-habit forming, which is good. Napz, that's cute. Next up, BR Rinse. This is organic brushing rinse. Whiter teeth and fresher breath. Interesting. Then we have some CURAD Quick Stop Flex Fabric Bandage. That's neat. I like the flex ones. The other ones seem to come off so easily. Maybe it's just my kids and their skin, but they never seem to stick. Then we have two of these, Ode to Be Clean, one awesome cleansing wipe. So we got two of those. Made from 100% plants for daily hard surface cleaning. And there's also a promo code on there as well. Cool. Excited to try that. And then 2 packets at the bottom. This is Intense Black Peel Off Mask. I love peel off masks. So very cool. That's what came in my box this month. If you want to see past boxes, I will put a playlist below and the link to their website in case you want to join. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.